Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Apa kabar? That's Indonesian for how are you?
I know that now.
You do know that now.
We'll tell you why.
Okay, so today's recipe is really special to me because it was inspired by my childhood. I grew up in Jakarta, Indonesia from 2 to 14.
Yeah.
12 years I lived there.
That's a long time. That's
my whole childhood.
That's your formative years.
It is.
It is.
And last summer, we went as a family to Indonesia.
It was so great. We hear her talking about Indonesia all the time, but it was so nice for the kids and me to actually see like where you grew up.
I know, it's such a special place. We went to Sumba Island, we went to Bali, we went to Ubud, and the people there are just wonderful. The food is fantastic, which brings us to today's recipe. So I loved nasi goreng growing up. That was one of my favorite dishes. That means fried rice in Indonesian.
The kids on this trip, they did an amazing job. They were very adventurous with all the food they tried and stuff.
Yeah.
But their favorite dish was nasi goreng too.
Yeah, they ordered it almost every meal.
Almost every meal. So I decided to make it as like a sheet pan. So it's like a sheet pan fried rice. I mean, I love sheet pan recipes. I do.
You do.
I mean,
they're quick
and they're easy to clean up. You know, and you can make them in advance if you need to. And we're busy, you know, so it's nice to have it like ready to go.
But it's so good. It's so good. I would have never thought you could do nasi goreng in a sheet pan, but you did it.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go. All right, guys, the first step to make this sheet pan fried rice is we're gonna make the sauce. So you will need 1/4 cup of the soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil.
Love sesame oil.
You do, you really love sesame oil.
I love it.
1 tablespoon of the rice wine vinegar. Put 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of the brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of sriracha, but you can just eyeball that. Grab the whisk and whisk it together.
Whisk.
Yep. Perfect. All right, so the next ingredient you're gonna need is rice, okay? Now we're using day-old rice, okay? So if you use fresh rice, it has too much moisture and then the rice gets kind of mushy when you cook it.
Okay.
So when you're using day-old rice, then it'll crisp up and be really delicious. So we're gonna pop that in. So next we're gonna use the white part of the green onion, the grated carrots, the minced garlic, ginger. Then we're gonna add the peas, teaspoon of coriander, a little bit of salt, black pepper, canola oil. Now we're gonna mix this together. The next step is we're going to add half of the sauce you just made, and we're going to reserve the rest of it for when we serve the dish. Now we get to put it on the sheet pan.
Just the smell is making me want to go back to Indonesia.
I know. We had such a nice trip.
I got to speak lots of Indonesian.
She got to speak a lot of Indonesian.
Sudah lama di Indonesia?
Kapan saya anak kecil saya tinggal di Jakarta 12 tahun.
Wow.
You know, it's very impressive. Say something.
Okay, sekarang saya mau makan. Saya lapar sekali. I said, right now I want to eat. I'm really hungry.
I remember apa kabar.
You did.
And Trace, was it? Therese Mikasi?
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Which means thank you.
Which means thank you. So I had how are you and thank you. But
Yeah.
It got me through. It got me through.
You did.
All right, so you just want to make sure and spread this rice mixture out evenly. Now we're ready to put this into the oven.
Okay.
You're gonna bake it for 15 minutes at about 475, which is pretty warm, but this will get the rice nice and crispy. So it's been 15 minutes. It's ready to take it out of the oven.
Okay.
Great.
It smells so good.
Okay, so now we're just gonna give it a little stir. If you wanna go ahead and crack the eggs into the bowl and whisk those together.
Okay.
So just gonna drizzle this egg, kind of like in between here. Put the chicken around.
Okay.
And you need about half of a rotisserie chicken for this.
Then back in the oven?
Back in the oven, girl. Only for about 5-10 minutes. Oh, yum. We're looking good here. So now our next step, we're going to mix this all around, get the egg all mixed in.
Okay.
If you want to go ahead and grab some toasted sesame seeds and just sprinkle those on top, and then the green onions, and then we're gonna pour the rest of the reserve sauce all over.
It looks so good.
Yeah, and we'll give it a good mix. We're ready to try it.
Okay, I've been ready for a while. Oh my gosh, that's so good. It's delicious.
That's
You
really
got
good.
all the flavors.
That's
you
awesome.
did it, babe.
Yeah.
I love your take on this. This is so yummy.
Cleanup's gonna be a breeze. Love a sheet pan.
Thank you so much for watching. We have this recipe on bakingwithjoshandange.com. You can get our cookbook that's coming out.
You can make this.
because you can make this. And just all my love to everyone in Indonesia. Terima kasih. And we hope you have a great week.
All right, thanks
Bye.
guys.
How cute.
I know.
Oh, thanks.
Little baby measuring cup.
But then they're tiny bigger. It's so cute. I can't take it. I'm not so good at eyeballing. Tell me when.
Win.
Okay.
That's good. I didn't think that's where you're going with it. I thought you were going to say something else.
What?
It poured all over
Oh
me.
my gosh. This is a family show, buddy.
Is it? You know, rice in the, for your sheet pan recipe.
Do you want to say that a little cleaner?
No.
Okay.
I think it's great.
All right.
Okay, sure. Kind of nestle the chicken in,
Okay.
like that word. And then we're gonna throw it back into the oven.
We have been together for how many years?
13?
13.
Yeah, 13
Today
years
is the
now.
day I learned that you love the word nestle.
I like to nestle into you too.
Okay.